Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to set up first time your Galaxy A15 5G. So firstly guys, you have to select your language here. Just select English US, tap OK and then click to start. Okay, now firstly you have to agree all the terms and conditions. Click agree here. Now tap to set up manually. So firstly we have to choose our Wi-Fi network. I am selecting by using the QR scanner. So as you can see, Wi-Fi is now connected. Okay, now if you want to copy your data, you can click next, but I don't want to copy because the phone is I am set up first time. So just tap don't copy. Now just enter your email. Okay, now tap to go here, and now you have to enter your password. Now guys, just tap on I agree here. Okay, now if you want to set up your fingerprint password, so you can set it up right here, but I don't want to set. So just tap skip anyway, skip this thing. Okay, so right now guys, if you want to sign in your Google Galaxy account, so you can also sign in with Google email or phone number, or sign in with QR code. But I don't want to sign in right now, so just tap on the forget password or don't have an account. After it provide you these things like create account, forget ID or forget password. But I don't want to sign in right now, so just tap on set up letter in settings. Click skip, agree, and then click agree again. Okay, now you have to choose the mode, light mode or dark mode. By the way, I am selecting light mode here, so just tap next, and as you guys see, you are all set up. Tap finish. These are all the unnecessary thing which if you want to install it, so you can click continue, but I don't want, so just tap letter and then click yes. So that is it guys, and as you guys see, my phone is now completely set up, and this is how we can set up Galaxy A15 5G first time. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.